Today I'm going to show you how to edit your audio levels in VEED. In my opinion, and any other creator that's worth mentioning, audio is as important as video. So let us adjust our levels. Select the clip that you would like to work with. So for example, right now I've got this clip over here. And on the left hand side, there's a few things that you can do. You can go to AI tools. We have the clean audio option. We have the remove filler and the remove silence options. And then there's a couple other options. Right. What we want to do here as well is go to audio. And here you can upload or you can create an AI voice. On the right, the one that you're actually looking for is the volume button. Here you want to click down and you want to adjust the volume currently, which is sitting on 100%. You want to adjust that volume accordingly. So you can either push it up, make it louder, or push it down to make it softer. If you are pushing it up, there will be some sort of distortion at some level. So just play around with it, see what sounds good. You can also fade it in and out, which means the audio will slowly fade in over the duration that you have set over here, as well as slowly fade out as you've set the duration over here.